Recon trolling motors use the same design and technology for both the Lowrance and Simrad brands. While this video focuses on the Lowrance, the info also applies to Simrad Recon motors. To pair our free steer joystick remote and our wireless foot pedal to the motor, we need to power on the trolling motor and also ensure that our devices of the remote and pedal are powered on. With our trolling motor and remote powered on, we're going to press and hold the power button to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. You're going to hear a beep and the two LEDs on the mount will begin flashing. Then you're going to press the pair button on the remote and begin the pairing process. Once the remote is paired with the trolling motor, it will show in the stowed position. Now that our remote is paired, we're going to set that aside and we're going to go to our foot pedal and we're going to put our pedal in Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button. Once in pairing mode on the pedal, the blue LED will be rapid flashing in blue. Then we're going to come over to our trolling motor, press and hold the power button to put the trolling motor in Bluetooth pairing mode, and we'll have the blue flashing LEDs on the mount. Once the pedal is paired, the LEDs on the mount will stop flashing.